वेलकम टू माय चैनल डीके ट्यूटोरियल। लास्ट सेशन में हमने पाइथन इंस्टॉलेशन का पार्ट सीखा एंड पाइथन कोड लिखने के लिए आइडल भी इंट्रोड्यूस किया। एंड एज आई सेड इन लास्ट सेशन, आइडल इज अ बेसिक IDE which we use for coding in Python. So for one or two videos, we will be covering the things on idle or normal Python. Then I'll telling you other IDs and how to install that IDE and how to work on that. Okay? So मैं यहाँ पे simple idle open करूँगी. Okay, I just simply open this idle here and it will be open this kind of window, and here you can simply write any code of Python and that will simply give you the output. And here you can simply write the one line of code only. आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक लाइन का कोड लिख सकते हो, आप यहाँ पे मल्टीपल लाइन्स का कोड नहीं लिख सकते. You cannot write here the multiple lines of code. So for multiple lines of code, you have to go here file and click on new file, or you can type here Control N. So it will give you this kind of window for multiple lines of code, और यहाँ पे आप multiple line का कोड लिख सकते हो. Okay, so now as you know this is the video from the basics. तो हम यहाँ पे बेसिक्स से सीखेंगे. तो मैं आपको कुछ बेसिक्स बताती हूँ. अगर आपको C लैंग्वेज के बारे में पता हो, okay, so in C language if I have to add two numbers, what I have to do? We generally define the two numbers as integer or float or any other type. Okay, then we add that two numbers, right? But here in this case you can simply write here 5 plus 4 and press enter. See, you are getting here 9. If you are not able to see, I just zoom it. 14. Okay, apply. Okay, see, 5 plus 4, I am getting here 9. If I write here 4 minus 5, see, I am getting here minus 1. So there is no need of declaring the variable. आप यहाँ पे सिंपल जैसे कैलकुलेटर में लिखते हो वैसे लिख सकते हो. ओके, आगे देखिए, अगर आप यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन करोगे तो 4 इंटू 5, सी 20. ओके, 5 डिवाइड बाय 4, सी 1.25. Now if I write here 10 divide by 4, see 2.5. Then if I write here 10 double divide by 4, what is this? I am write here one comment, double division. Okay, so this hash is a symbol is used for write the comment here. Okay, and press enter. See, I am getting here 2. So this is called as a floor division. Okay, it will give you only this number 2. It will not give the number after decimal. So this is called as a floor division. Okay, and if you write here 3 into 4 and press enter, see, I am getting here 81. So what is the meaning of this? 3 into 4, that simply means 3 to the power 4. Okay, means 3 raised to 4. So how much you get? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3 is 81. See, I am getting here 81. So this is for power. Into is for power. Now if I write here 10 modulus, modulus means percent, 10 modulus 2. See, I am getting here 0. तो यहाँ पे मेरे को 0 मिला. ये 0 कहाँ से आया? तो this 0 is a reminder after dividing 10 by 2. Okay, if I write here 30 modulus 4 and press enter, see, I am getting here 2. If you divide 30 by 4, you will get the remainder as 2. Okay, तो आप यहाँ पे इस तरीके के simple mathematical calculations कर सकते हो. Now you can declare this in variable also, and you can do it. So how to declare? You can simply write here a is equals to 30. Okay, a is equals to 30. If I press enter, that means I am declaring a as 30. Okay, and if I press enter, means the value of a is defined as 30. Okay, now if I write here, if I write here print a, I want to print this a here. See, 30, I am getting here 30. Now b is equals to 50. Now I want to print it, print b. See, I am getting here 50. Okay, now if I write here a plus b, 80, a divided by b, I am getting here 0.6. So you can do any kind of operation here. Okay, अगर आप यहाँ पे a का टाइप चेक करेंगे, सी पाइथन इज वेरी मच स्मार्ट, लाइक इन सी लैंग्वेज और एनी काइंड ऑफ बेसिक जावा लैंग्वेज, आपको वहाँ पे आप जब भी कोई वेरिएबल डिफाइन करते हो तो वी हैव टू डिफाइन द टाइप ऑफ वेरिएबल देयर, बट हियर the python understand it automatically, you don't have to define it, it will automatically understand that what is the type of number or any kind of variable. Okay, so like how can you do that? Suppose I am define here a as 30, okay, and I want to check what is the type of a, so that the python understand right now, I have to check that. So here you can write type of a, I want to check the type here. Okay, see, it is giving me that is the integer type of data, class int. Okay, so if I write here, if I write here 30, so it is defining me this is the integer. और अगर मैंने यहाँ पे सेम चीज लिख दी like a is equals to 30.0, see this a is equals to 30 and a is equals to 30.0, that is the same thing. Okay, see this 30 and 30.0 is the same, 30 is a round figure of 30.0. Okay, in this case let us check the type of a, see I am getting here class float. Okay, so in this case it is showing me that it is a kind of float, so you can see the same number is defined in two other ways. Okay, so what is a float? What is a float? So the float is a number that is in decimal form. Okay, now let us define other type. यहाँ पे हमने integer देखा, float देखा. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगी like suppose a is equals to, I am writing here my name Divya. Okay, so if you write any string or something, see I am getting here error, name Divya is not defined. Okay, so if you write any string or something, you cannot write like this, you cannot write like this. Okay, so you have to write it in single quotes or double quotes, then it will consider it as a string. So if I am write here it in double quotes, a is equals to, in between double quotes I am write here Divya. See, let's check the type of a, class string. Okay, so that is the string, str means string. Okay, so if I am write like this, a is equals to, in between single quotes Divya, and let's check the type of a, see class string. Okay, so single quotes and double quotes do not make the difference. Okay, they are the same thing. Now a is equals to 34 plus 5j. What is this? What is this? This is a complex number. What is a complex number? Complex number is a number that is the combination of real and imaginary number. So this 34 is a real number and 5j is the imaginary number. Okay, so generally in math, write imaginary number as I, 5i, but here in Python we have to write it as j, not I. Okay, तो अगर मैं इसका टाइप चेक करूंगी, type of a, see I am getting here class complex. Okay, so this is a complex number. Okay, and just remember Python is a case sensitive. If I am write here print a, capital A, see here a is a small, here a is in lower case letter and here a is in upper case, here a is a capital. Okay, let's check. See I am getting here name error is not defined, it's a error, name a is not defined. Okay, so it's a case sensitive, it means it is a case sensitive. Okay, now one more type that we have, boolean. If I write here a is equals to true, a is equals to true. Okay, so boolean means true and false, so that will define as a boolean. Okay, let's check type of a. See I am getting here class bool. Okay, see bool, this is a boolean. So these are the general data type that we use in the Python: integer, float, string, complex number, boolean. So these are all data types that known as a primitive data type. तो यहाँ पे हमने primitive data type का use देखा और वो किस तरह define करते हैं वो देखा. Now let me give you an example. Suppose I am writing here a is equals to 10. A is equals to 10. Okay, and b is equals to Divya. A is equals to 10 and b is equals to Divya. Now if I write here a plus b, see, I am getting here error, unsupported operand type of S for plus, integer and string. Okay, so that means we cannot add integer and string. We cannot add this integer and this string. Okay, और तो यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? You have to convert this b. You have to convert this b value into integer or this a value into string. Okay, but it is not possible to convert Divya into integer because this is not a number. Divya is not a number. So what we will do? We can convert this into string. Okay, so we can write here str of a. Okay, means we are converting a to string. Okay, plus b. Now you can see I am getting here output 10 Divya. Now suppose you want to print the space in between these two. You want to print the space in between 10 and Divya. So what you can do here? I am write here string str of a plus in between single quote I am write here space. So I am giving this space here like this. Okay, plus b. So see, I am getting here 10 space Divya. Okay, so you can see this is how to work on primitive data type. यहाँ पे हमने primitive data type का पार्ट कवर किया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कुछ स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेशन सीखेंगे, उसमें स्ट्रिंग स्लाइसिंग का पार्ट भी कवर होगा और कुछ कोर डेटा टाइप का पार्ट भी हम सीखेंगे. अगर आपको इस सेशन और इस वीडियो में कोई डाउट्स है या कोई दिक्कत है तो आप मुझे पूछ सकते हो. यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी ऑन टेलीग्राम. आई थिंक okay, and the link of the telegram group is in the description. तो guys मिलेंगे, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.